Hello.
Hi. Well, here is Freckles, sitting on the couch. And, I'm going to put it in color. Nope, I started in black and white. This is how I found Freckles laying. I think Freckles is quite comfortable. Aren't you, Freckles? You know, this is a Christmas cat. And she's kind of funny. Hi, Freckles. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hello. Are you comfortable? Well, there you have it. Freckles is comfortable, relaxed, and thanks, Freckles. What a goofy cat. Am I following you, kitty? Hello. What a pretty kitty. Well, Steve said take a video, so here I am. Alright. One more close-up of her lounging. Gorgeous day. It got to be how cold out last night? 36 below in Boston, and we got about 30 below here. And it's cold. And there's the cat.